America said, "Let there be freedom," and tanks are running over a field of wildflowers. America said, "Let there be freedom."
An orange fog suffocates the life out of Vietnam.
Thousands of skeletons lay in Liberia's Monrovian forest.
Sierra Leone is left dripping with what little is left of home.
They garden a graveyard of our country and dare to call us uncivilized.
American troops made a hole out of Hanoi in the name of democracy.
When white men got tired of wallowing in the guilt of slavery, they dumped us back on Liberia's shores, and ethnic tension swallowed what we had left of harmony.
The U.S. robbed Sierra Leone of its diamonds and turned our rebels into allies. Had child soldiers sever the tongues we hid our gems under. America settled onto our land
and named our own the enemy, and named our country a civil war. They handed us a gun we didn't know how to tote.
After that, we shot a target onto ourselves.
After that, we never took our finger off the trigger. We said, "Let there be peace."
And there was war.
We said, "Let there be peace." And our parents brought the battle back home with them.
I asked my father about Sierra Leone, and he tells me of family members that are now memories. He tells me of child soldiers who painted the town red.
I asked my father about Liberia, and he hands me the skeleton of his uncle, told me he's been tiptoeing over the accumulation of bodies in his conscience.
I asked my father about Saigon, and he builds me a burning house, firebombs his own to give me a front row view to his trauma.
War had done left a hole in my father's heart, and now he prays with 10 years of razor blades in his palm.
My father still sleeps with the Bible on his nightstand,
as if only something holy can fill the vacancy in his chest. My mother still prays like there's no tomorrow, like God didn't already save her from the rebels, like the rebels didn't already show her who God was.
When religion is the only ritual that you have left, prayer becomes a weapon of protection.
Our parents passed down defense mechanisms like they were embedded in genetics. I did not get mad when my father yelled at me for leaving my blinds open.
I did not flinch when I found a sword in the top shelf of my parents' closet.
Or when pearls shielded my chest like it's always abduction season. When your pleas for help echo in silence.
When you no longer recognize the country you love.
When you are conditioned to living in a war zone. Having your guard up becomes muscle memory. We are force-fed our parents' grief before we're strong enough to stomach it. My family walks around this land like history never ended. We can still taste the salt in their wounds. We are enlisted in a war we never asked for. I am the love child of a landslide. I am the aftertaste of colonization. I am everything that is left after war.